Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Anglo 19. Today we are going to learn about the event binding. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Purpose: bind an event in the template to a method in the component class. So there would be a method in your component class and you want to bind an event in the template. So let's suppose I want to go with the click event. Okay, so whenever I click with the mouse, okay, this event, right? So I need to perform some actions, okay, handling user interactions like clicks, key press, on key up. Okay, so this kind of events will go into the event binding. Okay, so here you can see that in the app component class I'm going to go with the handle click event. Okay, so there, here we can see that I can make a function or method over there. So just let me word wrap this. Okay, so here I'm going to make a function with the handle click event, mouse event. Okay, so this should be also added into the template file. Let's go to the template file. Okay, and here we need to add the button, okay, with the click event. So here you can see that let's comment all this. I don't need it. This also I don't need it. Just add it, button click. This should be a handle click, and when I hover it, it will go to my component method. Okay, and here we are passing the event parameter. Here you can see, so this will contain most of the properties that we, whether it's to be a target dot value, name or something. Let's have a look of that one. Let's go to over there and let's print the event. Okay, so all the event details will come over here. Let's have a look. Everything is safe. Let's open. I think already opened. Okay, if I go to the console, and here you can see that when I go with the click me, so button clicked and it give me all the properties, right? Alt key, everything. And here we are going to get the value. If there is a value over there, anything we want to get, you will get it data from here. Okay, so if it has the value, it will give me the value. I think it doesn't have the value, so all the properties of the button will go over here. Okay, so here we can get the values from that one, right? So if you want to, when I click on this button, you want to retrieve the value, because currently we are not adding any kind of value over there in the app, in the main file, right? We are not passing any values. Okay, so if I pass the value, when I click on this button, I can retrieve the values, right? So this the way it will work. Okay, and when the button is clicked and the event details will be logged in the browser console, right? So this is how you can do with the event binding. We will discuss more in later videos, like the key press and everything, the data, like input, like only the key press I will get to retrieve the values. When I type in the input field, I will try to get all the values or something. We will do in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.